It's a great day for couples painting with Patty and him from Patricia's Art Emporium. Hope everyone's having a great day. It's cloudy out. We tried to go in the pool twice and it started thundering, so I guess we won't be going in today. Welcome into our home. We hope you're having a good day and we hope you'll enjoy this video. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some ring pours on a
11 by 14.
11 by 14 canvas. That's pink.
Pink to match my eyes.
But I'm going to put more pink on it to get it wet with 4 drops of Tread Mill Silicone. And then I'm going to do hopefully I'm going to do little ring pours.
Okay.
So I'm going to
put
like some stuff in here now.
Sounds like fun. What are we having for supper tonight? We're having carbonara?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't wait. I'm so excited. Sunday spaghetti day. Oh, look at that.
Every day.
It looks like the top of a latte.
Every day would be spaghetti day for you.
Yeah, that's true.
I don't know, can they see this?
They can see it. What color are you putting in there now?
I'm sorry.
The first was Prussian blue?
The first was, yep.
Prussian blue, the second was
DecoArt
white?
Prussian blue. The next one was
DecoArt.
Artist Loft White.
Yeah.
Now this is Apple Barrel Gloss Mossy Green.
Mossy green. Sounds like some gangster's name. Hey, I'm Mossy Green. That's a color.
Comes up pretty though, usually. Then I'm gonna put I think I'm gonna put the orange.
Okay, orange and green. Beautiful. That's an orange, that's opal or something, isn't it?
It's orange.
Oh, I thought it was the opal one.
No, I don't have
Never mind. No opal for you.
opal. Sounds like Oprah.
Maybe Oprah will run for president. What do you got there?
Now I'm putting dioxazine.
Purple.
Purple. Oh, these are colors I've never put together before. This should be interesting.
Get enough in there. Get a good squeezy. Ah, beautiful.
I'm trying. These bottles are hard for my thumbs. And then we have DecoArt Cadmium Yellow.
Cadmium yellow. Wow. You're digging deep.
Okay. Should I put the red in?
Go ahead, why not?
bit of red?
Yeah, why not? Red. We all love red. Everybody loves red. Maybe put that opal right next. Oh, that opal or not opal?
No, that's orange.
Oh man, looks like the opal.
Okay, so these are the colors that I have.
That's it? Used them all?
Yep.
No white?
I put white.
You did?
Only once, but I guess I should put white again,
I
huh?
don't know. I didn't see any white.
Oh.
I wouldn't put any white.
Oh no, I don't know if I did or not. I don't remember.
Yeah, you can.
Okay, so
Now,
now I'm gonna cover over this.
there you go. And this color is neon. It's a Craftsmart neon pink. Okay.
All right, here we go. Nah, I don't know about these colors, but hey,
So
we'll
I
see.
was going to ask where you're going to start. You're going to start at the end or the middle or somewhere.
Yeah, somewhere.
Somewhere. Well, look at that. That's cool. stuck on flowers. Oh wow, that's interesting.
What? What should I do? Take it all the way off?
What do you mean?
I don't know.
No, go back. It's just get that big green hunk out of there.
Over here
I
in
would
this
think,
corner?
yeah, let those colors work their way down. Oh yeah, go back.
You want that still on?
Yeah, I was gonna nuke it after you finish it. Where did the pink come from? Wasn't no
I
pink
moved
there.
that.
Wasn't no pink there a minute ago.
I know, I moved
Why
that.
are we wiggling like that?
Because one of the things fell off.
Oh, one of the thumbtacks?
Yeah.
Oh,
Hold on, let me try. Want me to try to do something still here?
yeah, just move it real flat. Yeah, there you go. Just slide it across almost like a swipe, right? Yeah, there you go, all the way straight across. Maybe that'll be interesting. Swipe it right off the edge.
I am, I'm trying to. It's just, it's thicker.
Oh,
It got thicker.
I see what you're saying.
So it's almost drying. Okay, try. Can I do some more here?
Yeah, I think so.
Some rolling. How's that doing, or is it too dark?
It's dark colors down there. There's like the light greens coming up through it. Come on, what are you doing there? What's
Can I
that?
do that one a little more?
Good.
I don't like that part. Maybe other things will pop out.
It's pretty interesting.
It's a weird one.
It feels like we're having a barbecue.
I don't know, guys. It was really weird with that